Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually doing this Cardi B look that I saw. It was on Spotify and I was like, why have I never seen this look before? And more importantly, why have I never created it and made a tutorial for you guys? So here I am. This is what I tried my best to imitate. I hope you guys like it a lot. And let's start with this Cardi B look. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post, because I am doing a giveaway, and in order to enter that makeup giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel. And if you want an extra entry to my giveaway, you can follow me on Instagram. And for a third entry, you can follow me on TikTok. I'll leave everything down below. Make sure to leave your handles down below because I will be checking. Thank you all so much, and let's get started with this Cardi B look. First of all, excuse my maskne that I have going on over here. It's been rough. If you have maskne, give me a thumbs up down below so I know that I'm not alone, because did I just like get maskne late when everyone else maskne was just starting to disappear, or are people still getting maskne? Because I got it pretty later than everyone else, I think. Oh, by the way, I'm priming my eyes with MAC's Bare Study Paint Pot. I'm just putting that all over my lids. So to achieve this beautiful kind of cotton candy-ish look, I'm going to be going into the Makeup and Murders Pastel. Oh wow, my ring light just gave out perfect. I'm going to be going into the Makeup and Murders pastel pigments, and they don't have really names, but these are just like the Pastel Poison Neon pigments. So in our inner half, we're going to go in with purple, and then on our outer half of the eye, we're going to go in with this cute blue. Okay, so I'm gonna take this purple with this flat brush, and I'm just gonna put that on the first half of my eye. Okay, now we're gonna take the blue Pastel Poison with this other brush. This is actually a fluffy brush because I can't find another flat brush, but I think it's gonna work well. We're just gonna have to angle it and then drag it right there. So we're just using patting motions. Okay, so I know the eye looks really crazy right now, but don't worry because we're actually going to clean this up with some makeup remover. But for now, I'm going to take this Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to, oops, the mirror's not here. There it is. And I'm just going to start buffing out those harsh edges. I did put some blue and I overlapped it into the purple to give it more of a blending effect. And now I'm literally just taking that and buffing out all the outer edges. Oh, that looks so much better. Even the ones from here, and that like kind of even fixed it a little bit. Ooh, okay, now it's time for some eyeliner. Oh, sorry, we're gonna clean this up and then eyeliner. Okay guys, so Cardi B actually has black winged black liner, and then on top of that she has white eyeliner. I don't have my white eyeliner with me right now. I ran out, so I'm gonna use this Urban Decay oh my gosh, what is this called? Just my luck. I can't find my Tarte eyeliner eyeliner brush that I usually use to line my eyeliner. So I'm just gonna be going in with this Maybelline one, and hopefully I don't mess up. And for the eyeliner today, we're gonna be going into this MAC Black Track Pro Longwear Fluid Liner. This is one of the smoothest eyeliners that I've ever tried, so I thought it would be safer to use this one to make sure that like just glides on just the way I like it. So I'm taking some. And now we're gonna do a wing liner. Now, Cardi B's lashes in this picture, they're really nice and fluffy, even like in the beginning. So I grabbed one of the fluffiest lashes that I could find. I actually bought these in Peru, so sorry they're like not like a name brand. But definitely Lily lashes in Mykonos. You could probably use those because those are super fluffy and full. So I'm just gonna already put my duo glue on, and I'm just gonna pop these right on. Ooh, yeah. These are definitely the type of lashes that Cardi B had in this picture, and it still frustrates me that I don't know the name of like the music video that she was in using this look. Like, did she do a music video using this look, or am I just like going crazy, or is it just like a cute Instagram picture that she posted one day? Because I'm pretty sure she was in a music video with this look. I just can't find which song it was. Oh yeah, that liner on the bottom, on the top, if it was white, I feel like it would give like a whole nother look, but I'm not mad at this gold effect either. Okay, time to move on to the face. Oh, and do the other eye, of course. Okay, now moving on to the face. Actually, first, what we did was that we took the blue pigments and the pastel pigments from the top, and we put them on the bottom lash line. And I actually noticed that Cardi B didn't have mascara on her under eye, but I'm actually going to put some towards the end. But first, I am going to... That's the ice cream man. But first, I'm actually gonna prime and foundation my face. So for today, I'm gonna take the Flesh foundation, and this is in the color 14 Butter, and it's a stick foundation, and we're just gonna start putting that all over the face. I don't normally use stick foundation, so this is fairly new to me. And now we're gonna add some Boscia Subaki oil. Going in with the Dragon Beauty Transformation Face Powder, I'm gonna go in with yellow. We haven't gone in with concealer yet. I might have gone a little heavy-handed with the Subaki oil just because I was making a TikTok and I kept having to retake it. But this face powder should combat the extra oiliness that I have going on in my face. And it's super pretty. I love this face powder. I got a little hair. See how like that just matted everything out? And oh, she does have a lot of blush. I'm looking at her picture right now, and she has a lot of blush. So we're gonna go in with some Ofra blush right now. Cardi B has a lot of blush on her face, so I'm definitely gonna like cram a lot of blush into this brush, and then I'm just gonna start just applying. And what I've been seeing a lot lately is that a lot of YouTubers and everyone is basically putting blushes like where I would normally put my bronzer, my bronzer, and they're like putting it all the way up to the temples and everything. And I think that's correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't that like a Korean type of style, like of makeup and things like that? Like they, like for their lips, they'll put like a lot of pigments in the middle and then kind of like conceal a little bit on the outside, kind of look like you've been sucking on a lollipop all day. Like, I think that's really cute. I just don't know if I can pull it off. So she has a lot of blush right here where her temples are. And now we're gonna move on to bronzer. Okay, since I'm still basically a big grease ball, I'm gonna take some translucent powder and I'm gonna put that on the areas where I'm most greasy right now. So definitely where my T-zone is. And they're here. And kind of just all over my forehead. Not really baking, I'm just like setting. We're gonna bronze using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Powder Kit in medium to tan. So I'm gonna take the bottom shade right here and just really start bronzing up my face. And the perimeter, oh, that's a little too dark. Maybe I'm not as tan as I thought I was. Let me go in with this color up here. That was too dark for my liking. Whoa, what is going on? Am I taking too much? Did I just get heavy-handed? Give me a second. Or is the lighting? I'm gonna take my Coty Airspun powder and I'm gonna bake because I don't know what just happened. I use that Anastasia contour kit all the time, so I don't know what just happened. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to put on the Dragon Beauty face powder and I'm just gonna bake. Why is my hair getting so in my way today? Bake, 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 bake. There we go. And we're just gonna let that there for like a minute or so. And then we're gonna wipe it off and hopefully it's 10 times better. Highlighting with some Over Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter. So pretty. Okay, now I just cut myself off by accident. Oh, perfect, everything's falling now. But anyways, I'm gonna take Jeffree Star's Candy Ass and I'm gonna apply that on the lip. And actually right on top of that, I'm gonna put a little bit of Ulta Beauty's Lip Plumping Transformation Top Coat in the shade Ethereal, because I just love the extra little beam that this gives. You see? Oh yeah. Now time to take off this bake and change this outfit. Hey guys, so this is my recreation of Cardi B's makeup. I hope you guys like it. If you know what music video she used this makeup look in, please comment it down below because it's driving me crazy. I'm pretty sure she was in a music video with this and I just can't put my finger on which one it was. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching and for being here with me. I love you all so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to enter my makeup giveaway and I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to hit the bell notification as well so you get notified every single time I post so I can make the announcement as well. Bye loves.